Find or read reviews that people are talking about FITKS360 under desk elliptical electric, seated leg exerciser. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Low impact exercise for everyone. The FITKS360 underdesk elliptical is designed for seniors, office workers, and those recovering from leg injuries. It provides a gentle, low-impact workout that helps burn calories, boost circulation, and improve muscle strength, all while aiding in leg recovery and flexibility. Personalized workout options. Choose between manual mode, 12 speed levels, and auto mode, P1 to P3, to match your fitness needs. The bidirectional pedals, forward/backward, engage different muscle groups, making your workout more effective. Whisper quiet and smooth operation. Built with advanced noise reduction technology, this elliptical operates quietly even at high speeds so you can work out without disturbing others, whether at home or in the office. Hands-free mode control. Easily switch modes with the included remote control, no need to bend over or interrupt your routine. Stay active while working at your desk or relaxing, all while reducing strain on your back and legs. Lightweight and secure design. Compact and easy to carry with a built-in handle, this elliptical is perfect for small spaces. The non-slip base ensures stability and safety, so you can enjoy worry-free exercise anywhere. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.